In this video, I want to compare two really powerful marketing tools that any online business can really benefit from: HighLevel and Kartra. Now, I'm going to compare HighLevel with Kartra across a few different categories. So features, ease of use, pricing structure, customer support, and much more. So I hope that by the end of this video, you're going to have a good idea of which tool is better for your specific business needs. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both platforms in the description of this video so you can follow along and sign up to the one that you think is better by the end of the video. So let's start by browsing each website and seeing what it looks like. So this is the website for HighLevel, and they've got this big red sign here for a 14-day free trial, and then they tell you about all the different features that it offers. And this is what my dashboard looks like once I sign in to HighLevel. This is Kartra's website, so it's quite bright and colorful. It tells you all the different features that it offers, pricings, resources, solutions, and everything else. Now let's talk about the features and functionality. So HighLevel is primarily tailored for marketing agencies. It offers a suite of tools that include CRM capabilities, marketing automation, sales funnel creation, and extensive analytics. HighLevel's standout feature is its white labeling capability. So this allows agencies to brand the platform as their own when they're offering it to clients. Additionally, it also includes features like appointment scheduling, social media management, and reputation management. So it's a really comprehensive tool. It literally has everything you need, all the way from building a landing page, sales funnel, to actually closing sales and monitoring your analytics. Now, Kartra, on the other hand, targets a broader audience, including small to medium-sized businesses, as well as individual marketers. So similar to HighLevel, Kartra is also an all-in-one platform, and they offer things like landing pages and webinars and building websites and email marketing. Kartra also includes a built-in shopping cart and affiliate management system, which makes it really useful for businesses who want to sell digital products or services online. Now let's talk about the ease of use. This is HighLevel's interface when you sign in. I think it's really simple, easy to follow along. Even though HighLevel has so many features and tools, it's really an all-in-one platform. It's still easy to follow along for a relatively beginner, someone who's not super tech savvy. And Kartra is actually very similar as well. If you sign in and you do a free trial, you'll see that. Kartra also emphasizes ease of use with a straightforward drag and drop interface that helps users set up complete marketing funnels without requiring extensive technical knowledge. The platform offers a wide range of pre-built templates for web pages, emails, and more, and this can significantly speed up the process for setting up new campaigns. Now let's talk about integration capabilities. So HighLevel was built with integration in mind. You can integrate HighLevel seamlessly with a vast range of tools, including major CRM systems, payment gateways, and other marketing platforms. Its API access also facilitates custom integrations, so that makes it really useful for agencies who want to manage a diverse range of clients. Some of the popular tools that HighLevel can easily integrate with include, but are not limited to, Salesforce and HubSpot for CRM, Stripe and PayPal and Square for payments, and a bunch of other miscellaneous tools like MailChimp, ClickFunnels, Zapier, and many more. Chances are, if you already have a business and using a bunch of marketing tools and software, then you can probably integrate it seamlessly with HighLevel. Now, Kartra actually integrates really well with third-party services, particularly payment gateways and email marketing services. So while it has fewer integrations compared to HighLevel, it's still really extensive, so you don't really have to worry about transferring, consolidating your softwares and doing everything with Kartra. So you shouldn't have a problem with connecting your different tools and software that you use in your business with Kartra, such as PayPal, Stripe, and all these other ones right here. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So HighLevel actually has a very simple 3-tier pricing structure, and they've got a starter plan and an unlimited, and they actually have 2 different segmentations inside the starter plan. So at $97 a month, you get all the tools to capture more leads, to nurture and close those leads into customers. And they also include a website builder, a calendar, pipelines, and online booking software as well. Unlimited contacts and users, so you can contact as many people as you want, and you can set up to 3 free sub accounts. So that's a lot of stuff included in their cheapest subscription plan, which is 97 bucks a month. And then if you decide to go unlimited, you get everything I mentioned already in starter. You also get access to the API, so you can literally integrate it with anything. And then you got a few other things here. So that's what the pricing structure looks like for HighLevel. And if we look at Kartra, they offer 3 different plans over here, and a starter at 119, growth at 229, and professional at 549 per month. Now, if you go annual, it's actually 22% cheaper across the board. One thing you can notice is that HighLevel was actually 97 bucks a month, so Kartra is a bit more expensive, but you also get a bunch of unlimited stuff here as well. Although with contacts, they are limiting your contacts to 2500, whereas with HighLevel, you also get unlimited contacts and users. So HighLevel's pricing is looking pretty good. Now, Kartra also doesn't have a free plan just like HighLevel, so that is something to keep in mind as well. Now let's talk about customer support. Both platforms actually offer substantial support. So on HighLevel, if I sign in, if I click this question mark here, then they've got live chat and they've got 24/7 call support as well. And Kartra also has lots of support as well. So if you sign in, you create an account. They've got a bunch of FAQs here, and then if you still can't find an answer, you can submit a ticket or you can connect directly with an agent. So by now, you probably have a good understanding of both HighLevel and Kartra, but what do other customers have to say about them, and which one has better reviews? So if you go over to Trustpilot, which is a really popular website where they rank millions of different companies and websites around the world, and you can see the reviews. They make sure that they're valid reviews and they're verified companies. HighLevel has an excellent rating of 4.9 out of 5. It's also a verified company and has over 2,000 reviews, almost all of them being 5 stars, and lots of new reviews as well. If we look at Kartra, they have 69 reviews and it's 3.9, which is great, but nowhere close to the 4.9 on HighLevel, with way more reviews as well, but also a verified company. So you can see that Kartra also has quite a bit of 1 stars, and it doesn't seem to be nearly as popular as HighLevel. So overall, the decision between HighLevel and Kartra should be based on your specific business needs and preferences, but here are some general recommendations based on my personal opinion. So if you're about to start an online business, I would recommend starting with HighLevel right off the bat. It offers everything you need and then some, and the starter plan on HighLevel has everything a new business needs to start making serious money, and at only $97 a month, I think it's quite a bit cheaper than the cheapest plan on Kartra, which is 120 bucks a month, which also limits your contacts to 2500, whereas HighLevel actually offers unlimited contacts and users. So you're getting a lower monthly price and unlimited contacts and users, whereas in the other one you're paying more and getting way less. On top of that, HighLevel offers a 14-day free trial on both their starter and unlimited plan, so you can test all the features and functionality across the platform completely for free for 2 weeks before you decide to upgrade and actually pay for the subscription. So I've included the links to both HighLevel and Kartra in the description of this video for your convenience, so you can check it out. Drop your comments and questions down below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.